Sabay-sabay natin alamin ang mga kaganapan na nangyayari sa ating bansa. Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? This is I2K po again. Ngayon nandito ulit tayo sa channel ni Philippines Trending News. Dito naman ulit tayo magbibigay ng komento at reaksyon. Kaya samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go!
Vietnam at Pilipinas nagsanib puwersa na para pagtulungan po ang China at palayasin po sa mga inaangking teritoryo dyan sa West Philippine Sea. Ngayon mga sangay, pag-usapan mo natin itong Vietnam at Pilipinas against China. Dahil ang balita mga sangkay, ang Pilipinas at Vietnam ay meron daw pong pinirmahang deal para po i-counter itong China dyan sa West Philippine Sea. Well, tingnan po natin itong video, mag-react po tayo.
The South China Sea, a maritime crossroads estimated to carry over $5 trillion in trade annually,
Grabe.
sits at the heart of Southeast
Itong South China Sea, sobrang busy ng lugar na ito mga sangkay pagdating po sa mga dumadaang produkto. Maliban dyan mga sangkay, sobrang yaman din po pagdating sa likas na yaman ng South China Sea or West Philippine Sea.
Asia. This resource-rich region, steeped in history and conflict, has become a hotspot of escalating geopolitical tensions. Drawing in the attention of global powers. In a strategic move to bolster their maritime security, Vietnam and the Philippines recently signed groundbreaking agreements. This collaboration, a response to China's vast disputed claims over the waters, showcases a unified front against rising tensions. Dr. Carlyle Thayer, an expert on Southeast Asian security, applauds this development. This partnership signifies a crucial step towards regional cohesion, he states.
Yung Vietnam pa naman mga sangkay, isa po yan sa malakas na dito sa Southeast Asia, no? Ang Vietnam po, mga sangkay, para po sa inyong kaalaman, ng Vietnam War, hindi po natalo yan ng Amerika. At yung iba pa nga po mga sangkay na lumalabas sa kasaysayan ng ating mundo, Amerika po ang natalo ng Vietnam. So, malamang sa malamang, hindi po talaga ito papatalo sa China mga sangkay. At para po sa inyong kaalaman din, ang Vietnam ay nagkiklaim din po dyan sa West Philippine Sea. At malawak po yung kanilang nasakop na. No, mas marami pa po sa China. Kaya nga lang, itong China, mas bully. Ang Vietnam, hindi po gaano mga sangkay, kaya hindi po natin nababalitaan yung ganong klaseng gawain.
A united ASEAN presents a stronger voice in negotiations and deters unilateral actions that could destabilize the region. However, Professor Zhang Baohui, a Chinese international relations scholar, cautions against viewing this partnership solely through the lens of China's claims. While the agreements do address China's assertiveness, they also reflect a broader desire for enhanced maritime cooperation and regional stability, he argues. The South China Sea's significance transcends its economic value. It serves as a geopolitical flashpoint, a long-standing chessboard for power plays by various nations.
Trade war.
China's expansive territorial claims, encompassing almost the entirety of the sea, have
Halos buong South China Sea daw po, kiniklaim nitong China.
clashed with those of the Philippines, Vietnam, and other ASEAN members. These disputes have led to concerning confrontations, including the use of water cannons, military-grade lasers, and dangerous maneuvers at sea. The Vietnam-Philippines agreements mark a pivotal moment in regional diplomacy.
Naalala nyo mga sangkay, itong Vietnam at Pilipinas, nagkaroon po ng agreement nakaraan, di ba? Pumunta pa nga po dito yung Vietnam. Okay, dito sa Pilipinas nagkaroon ng pirmahan mga sangkay. So ito na po yung impormasyon tungkol diyan. No? At hindi po natin alam kasi itong Vietnam, pumapalag po talaga ito. Kaya nga po sa dami ng kiniklaim ng China, yung Vietnam yung mga nakuha ng Vietnam diyan sa West Philippine Sea, hindi na po nila pinapakialaman dahil alam nilang papalagan po sila ng Vietnam.
They emphasize incident prevention and maritime cooperation among coast guards, focusing on practical measures to de-escalate tensions. This partnership, according to Dr. Maylee Caballero Anthony, a maritime security specialist, goes beyond enhancing security. It sends a powerful message to Beijing and the international community, she emphasizes, reaffirming the importance of respecting sovereignty and resolving disputes peacefully. The broader ASEAN context underscores the urgent need for a unified approach to safeguard regional peace and stability. Despite years of negotiations, a comprehensive code of conduct with China remains elusive. Recent meetings highlighted the importance of maintaining peace, security, stability, safety, and freedom of navigation in the South China Sea, but achieving a concrete agreement has proven challenging. The 2016 UN-backed tribunal ruling, which declared China's expansive claims to be without legal merit,
Talo dito ang China, mga sangkay.
further complicates the situation. Beijing's disregard for this international ruling exemplifies the challenges faced in enforcing the rule of law in maritime disputes. Professor Deborah Brautigam, a specialist on China's economic development, emphasizes upholding international law and adhering to UNCLOS principles are crucial for maintaining a stable and predictable maritime order in the region. The strengthening economic ties between Vietnam and the Philippines form a crucial pillar of their partnership. A 5-year trade commitment on food security and joint initiatives in electric vehicle production herald a new era of cooperation. This economic integration, as Dr. Giant Menon, an expert on regional economic cooperation, argues, could pave the way for a more resilient Southeast Asia, better equipped to withstand the pressures of climate change, pandemics, and the ever-evolving geopolitical landscape. The Vietnam-Philippines alliance stands as a testament to the power of diplomacy and the importance of strategic partnerships in navigating the complex dynamics of international relations. It serves as a model for other regional nations, demonstrating that unity, mutual respect, and adherence to international law are the keys to resolving disputes and ensuring peace and prosperity. The future of the South China Sea remains uncertain, but the recent partnership between Vietnam and the Philippines offers a glimmer of hope. As the international community navigates this complex geopolitical landscape, a commitment to dialogue, cooperation, and
Ayun,
peaceful
ito po yun, mga sangkay. Yan po yung naging agreement, no? At hindi ko alam, mga sangkay, kung ano na po ang nangyayari ngayon, pero ayun nga po, ito po yung deal to counter China in South China Sea. Kaya nga lang ngayon, mga sangkay, kung papansinin po natin, mas aggressive. Hindi ko alam kung ano to kung gaano katindi itong deal na ito ng Pilipinas at Vietnam at kung gumagana na po ito ngayon. Kasi wala po tayong nababalitaan na may Vietnam, mga sangkay, na pumapalag sa China. Diba? More on ang nababalitaan natin, Pilipinas, ginanito na naman ng China. Diba? Ganun po ang nangyayari.
full resolution of disputes is paramount. By upholding international law, respecting the sovereignty of nations, and fostering regional economic integration, a more stable and prosperous future for the South China Sea and Southeast Asia can be achieved. Ultimately, the path forward requires a collective effort from all stakeholders, guided by a shared vision for a peaceful and prosperous future for the region and the world.
So, ano sa tingin niyo, mga sangkay? May ano ba? May epekto ba itong deal ng Vietnam at Pilipinas? Para po banaan, paano ba? Paano ba yung natin dito? Kasi sabi po dito sa nag-sign daw po ng deal to counter China in South China Sea. So, hindi pa po natin nakikita, mga sangkay, yung effect Kasi kung nakita na po natin yung effect nitong Vietnam, dapat po nababalitaan na po natin na nagnganganak na po itong China sa Vietnam. Nababalitaan po dapat natin, pero parang wala mga sangkay, 'di ba? Kadalasan America, Western countries pinagsasabihan ng China, okay, mangialam. Pero yung Vietnam, hindi pa po natin naririnig. So talaga bang yung deal nila na pinirmahan ng pamahalaan natin at Vietnam? Ganun ba makapangyarihan yan? Kasi wala pa tayong nababalitaan Pero ano po sa tingin niyo, mga sangkay? Comment nyo po sa ibaba niyo.
Pero kung sakaling totoo yun, mga kaibigan, siyempre hindi pa naman nila siguro basta-basta sasabihin. Kasi lalo't gera ang pinag-uusapan dito, mga kaibigan. Kasi pag nalaman ng mga tao, mga kaibigan, siyempre magiging maaalarma yung mga tao, mga kaibigan, dahil na yung mga malapit sa gera, di ba? Part ng gera, madadawit sila. Kaya parang ililihim pa lang nila yan. Pero malay natin, mga kaibigan, di ba? Kung totoo. Magabang-abang na lang tayo, mga kaibigan, kung sakaling totoo.
Yung mga
Ay, tapos na pala. At yun nga po, mga kaibigan, dito po nagtatapos ang ating reaction video Muli ako po si I2K ng Sundalo ng Dunggalo. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Yeah, peace out.